Hey, Kevin with Kevlin Manufacturing, and I'm here with Gordon Taylor of OneHotLaser.com. I met Gordon through Makerspace locally, and he came to me because he knew that I did 3D printing to come up with a camera mount for his Omtech laser. So I created this camera mount, 3D printed it. Part of my design goal was to make it so you didn't need any tools to change it on and off. So I've made it with a clamp that clamps around the laser head, and then the camera mount slides onto that and locks in place. It has two places to put a GoPro camera so that you can take video of the actual laser heads as it moves.
Even at high speed.
Even at high speed, which was the challenge because Gordon has hot rodded his lasers, and they move, what, about twice as fast?
1,000 millimeters a second.
Yes. And why did you come up with this concept, or how did you come up with the concept of putting a camera on the laser as opposed to just a camera in the bed showing what was happening?
So, great question. It really came down to is trying to find a view that nobody else had really come up with, because I use it for marketing for us also, because people love seeing how things are created. And when they see the project being actually built and following the laser head around, it creates more interest. That's really what this whole thing was about. And the biggest challenge was being able to keep it from shaking. And that head's moving back and forth really fast. It starts to flex and vibrate, and it messes the video up. So that was the goal, and that was the challenge.
Right. And originally, Gordon had created one out of strap steel. Correct. And had bent it around and had a couple of wing nuts on there to hold everything in place.
Actually, I think so. The whole concept started out with me making this, and it was rock solid and worked great, but it was all made out of metal and it wasn't very pretty. And I got Kevin involved with his 3D printing, and he took on the challenge and made multiple versions of it to,
test out the design.
Our original goal was to be able to get it for a cell phone to be put in there, but we found out that the weight of a cell phone and the mount that it would take, we couldn't get it to not vibrate. So we ended up having to go with the GoPro, which you can lock in tight, and it does great.
Mm-hmm. And we're here with Gordon Taylor of OneHotLaser.com. Does some amazing laser art. You need to check it out at OneHotLaser.com.